So he has lots of subscribers and likes. I know, see, that impressed you, right? I'm a little flustered now. You know, we got, you know. So we're in the midst of a celebrity. We're going to learn about the UK legal system. Please ask questions, y'all. Don't be shy. And it doesn't have to be limited to just the courts, business, UK, London, Brexit, politics, who's Theresa May, why is she Prime Minister, anything you want to know, why is she leaving, all those other questions are certainly relevant and welcome here. So the time is yours to hear from someone who can give you these answers to these wonderful questions. So I'm going to sit, the floor is yours, and I'm going to pass out in the meantime the report, which you can take an example and you can keep, which gives you the kind of things that are supposed to do, and write about, and we'll distribute that one as well. So hang out there, take that there, and one out, take that there, you can see what happens in the exciting rough and tumble world. So the floor is yours. Right, thank you.
Well, thank you, Robert, and good morning, everybody. It's a delight to come back and speak to everyone at the University of Connecticut here in London. It's a delight because it's nice to see people who are coming from a common law jurisdiction, which is in another country, because the common law developed in England primarily. And as you've heard, I am actually a member of the bar for England and Wales. Now, to many people, it's an incredibly strange, very unusual thing. I'll show you later on the robes that I wear, because I'm going to put them on when we have a break. What I propose to do is to talk a bit this morning until about 11:15. We'll have a break, and then when we come back, I'll robe up and I'll show you what we wear, because you will probably, if you haven't already, you will see, if you are going to the courts, you will see some judges wearing different types of robes. Mine are particularly for the bar, but there are also judicial robes and various other types of robe that they wear. The Supreme Court, which I understand you're going to be visiting this afternoon, has a slightly different approach. Everything is filmed, which is a very, very good step forward because of the tremendously slow progress we have made with moving forward with information technology. There have been very big problems, a huge amount of opposition, and to be expected, of course, from a conservative with a small c profession. So that's basically what we're going to do. If you have any questions, please let me know. You know all about, just want to do one housekeeping point. You all know if there's any form of alarm or anything, I have to do this every time. You know how to get out of the building, and you know where the loos are. I always do that because although I'm a barrister at law, I'm also a mediator. Now, a mediator is in some ways similar to a judge, only we adjudicate disputes. And I'm what is called an accredited mediator, which means that I can act as a mediator between parties who have a dispute in an attempt to try to solve the dispute prior to it going to court. I'm going to talk more about that because there are some big changes on the way. Now, in addition to that, and all the other things that I do, I have been a British politician for the last 40 odd years. And I've I've been elected twice to my local authority, that's a council, not Parliament, but to a local authority, one in Oxford and one in Richmond, where I now live in Surrey. I've also, of course, held high office in my own party, which is the Conservative Party, which is currently the governing party. For how long we don't know. And many of you will be aware that the Prime Minister, the leader of our party, is Theresa May, who I happen to know, and she is going to leave very shortly on the 24th of July. And we will have a new Prime Minister, which will be a male Prime Minister, and it will either be Mr. Boris Johnson or Mr. Jeremy Hunt. Now, I know Boris, I don't know Jeremy very well, but I certainly know Boris. And, one will have views one way or the other about what is happening. But I will tell you one thing, irrespective of any other problems and all the stuff that goes on with a leadership election, and you can have one next year with Trump, and I'll talk about him in a minute, because I don't like Mr. Trump, I'm afraid, I have to say that. But I'm basically a Conservative, but I would be probably more inclined to the Democratic rather than a Republican ticket. Depends very much on a number of factors, because it's a different type of political politics. But having said that, you've got some idea of where I'm coming from. My background, because you can gather I'm a little bit older than you, not much, but a little bit older. I actually have done a number of other things in my life, and that is I've been a member of the Armed Forces. I served as a soldier, and I hold an honour from Queen, which is the MBE, which is the membership of the British Empire, and that's something which is given to a few people, and I was given that some 20 odd years ago, a bit longer than that in fact. And having said that, I have been, as I say, a soldier, and I've also been a civil servant. And being a civil servant has actually helped me immensely with my job as a barrister, because a lot of what I do, and we're going to have a look at these books a little later, these are practice books, and you will realise that whilst our job is, as barristers, is to be expansive and to be advocates and to put our client's case forward without fear or favour and make sure that we put the case very clearly to the judge and to the court, an awful lot of the work is actually written work, filling in forms, using the computer, and none of this glamorous stuff you see on telly, all the films, Mr. Grisham's films, which are very good, I think, and many other films that we have in this country about the role of lawyers, whether they be lawyers in the States or lawyers here in the UK. And what we're going to do this morning is I'm just going to explain a little bit about the structure of the legal systems in this country. This gives you an indication. I'll just come over this side now. This gives you an indication of what I want to do and where I've got my qualifications. University of Westminster, Inns of Court and University of London. For the academic and vocational, and for mediation, I'm a member of the Society of Mediators, amongst other mediation organisations.